Hi, good afternoon. My name is Adam Holloway. The time is now, let's see, 5:06 or 5:07. It's the 16th of February, 2020. We have the scapula, number one, we have the acromion, we have the glenoid fossa, 5. 2, the subscapular fossa. 3, we have the medial border, and 4 would be your lateral border. 16, the coracoid process. Okay, scrolling down. Part B, we have the tibial plateau. 2 is the lateral condyle. 4 is the tibial tuberosity. And 5 is the anterior crest. And 6, we have the medial malleolus. And 7 is the lateral malleolus. And 3 is the head of the fibula. For the humerus, we have the head of the humerus, surgical neck of the humerus. 7, we'll have the deltoid tuberosity. And 9 is the medial epicondylar ridge. And 15 is the olecranon fossa. 14 is the lateral epicondyle. Scrolling down for the bones of the skull. Number 1, we have the frontal bone. And then let me just enlarge this a little bit so we can see it. So the frontal bone, the temporal bone, this is the parietal bone in red or pink, and this is the supraorbital foramen, and this is the infraorbital foramen, and 5 is the optic foramen, and 10, that is the ethmoid bone, and 9 is the lacrimal bone. The blue here is the nasal bone, and then we have the perpendicular plate of the ethmoid, and this is the middle nasal concha for 13, and the inferior nasal concha for 16, as well as inside the eye. We'll have the superior orbital fissure, and 11 is the inferior orbital fissure. 8 is the ethmoid bone. 12 is the zygomatic bone. And then we have the mental foramen and the mandible down here, as well as the maxilla for 17. And this is the vomer for 18. And this is the alveolar processes for 19. And that concludes all of the bones. Let me make sure I got them all. Yep, parietal, frontal, temporal, yep. Okay, and that is it. Thank you for your time.